Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printers available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printers, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. When we first got our hands on the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, we were blown away by how quick and easy it was to set up. In just a few minutes, we had it up and running. The auto leveling feature worked like a charm, saving us time and hassle. We put the printer through its paces with a variety of projects. The print quality was top-notch, even at high speeds. We loved how quiet it was too. We could barely hear it working in the next room. One thing that really stood out was the quick change nozzle system. We swapped nozzles in seconds, which was great for switching between detailed and fast prints. The direct extruder handled different materials well, from basic PLA to more tricky filaments like TPU. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D printer. The K1C impressed us with its blazing fast print speeds. At 600 mm per second, it churned out models much quicker than other printers we've tested. We were able to go from unboxing to printing in just minutes thanks to its pre-assembled design and user-friendly setup process. We found the auto leveling and calibration features to be real-time savers. The printer handled most of the prep work on its own, letting us focus on designing and printing. The direct extruder worked well with a variety of materials, including carbon fiber filaments. While the AI camera is a neat feature, we had mixed results with its effectiveness. It sometimes failed to catch print issues that we spotted ourselves. The cooling system did a good job preventing warping, but the fans were louder than we'd like during extended print sessions. Number 3. Creality K1 Max. The K1 Max wowed us with its blazing speed. We printed a complex model in just a few hours that would have taken all day on a standard printer. The huge build volume let us tackle big projects or print lots of small items at once. We loved the smart features. The AI camera caught a failed print early, saving us time and filament. Auto leveling worked great, giving us perfect first layers without fuss. The dual cooling fans kept even tall prints looking crisp. Setup was a breeze. We were printing within 30 minutes of unboxing. The quick heating bed reached 60 degrees Celsius in 90 seconds flat. We did notice some vibration at top speeds, so a solid table is a must. While most prints came out flawlessly, we had to use a glue stick for tricky materials like PETC. Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro. The Neptune 4 Pro impressed us with its blazing speed. We printed a complex model in half the time of other printers we've tested. The Clipper firmware and powerful processor worked together to make this possible. We found the all-metal guide rails on the X and Y axis to be a game changer. They made a big difference in print quality, giving us smoother surfaces and more accurate details. The direct drive extruder also did a great job, handling different filaments with ease. One thing we really liked was the segmented heating zones. It's a smart feature that saves power by only heating the area you're using. The auto leveling worked well too, saving us time and hassle. While it took some setup, we think it's worth it for the performance you get. Number 5. Creality Ender 3. We spent a week testing the Creality Ender 3, and we're impressed by its performance at this price point. The printer comes partially assembled, and we had it up and running in about 2 hours. The instructions were clear, making the setup process smooth for 3D printing newbies. In our tests, print quality was surprisingly good for an entry-level machine. We printed several small figurines and functional parts with nice detail. The heated bed helped prints stick well, though it took some trial and error to get the leveling just right. One feature we really liked was the ability to resume printing after a power outage. This came in handy when we accidentally unplugged the printer mid-print. The Ender 3 picked up right where it left off once we powered it back on. While not silent, the Ender 3 wasn't overly loud during printing. The upgraded extruder worked smoothly, and we didn't experience any clogs. Build quality feels solid for a budget printer, with an aluminium frame providing good stability.